Yes, yes, dreamers, it is 2023 and my website is now updated with a lot of my workshops and retreats for the first half and a few for the second half of this coming year. First thing that's coming up is in February, mid-February, I've got an online lucid dreaming weekend workshop. Haven't done one of those for ages. Did so much real life stuff last year that I kind of neglected the online offerings a little bit. So online lucid dreaming weekend mid-February. Then in March, I will be in Prague in Czech Republic, running a series of workshops there based on the new book. So that's for kind of stress or trauma affected sleep. Then in April, first big retreat of the year is in Holy Isle. So the Holy Isle retreat usually sells out anyway. This is a little bit earlier in the year too, so it makes it easier for travel. So it's almost certainly going to sell out. Bookings are now open. How to book and how it all works and everything is all up on the website. But if you want to come and do one of the intensive, immersive lucid dreaming retreats where I do all the wake ups during the night and stuff like that, which are of course totally optional, then come and join me in April on Holy Isle. Then what's next? Oh yeah, then in May, I'll be doing the same retreat, pretty much the same retreat as I do in Holy Isle, but in France, in Limoges, in central France. So that's a really good one in a beautiful Buddhist center called Decin Choling. So that's up. And then I've got some stuff in Romania. I've got retreats in Venice or near Venice in Italy, which will be in June. And then I'll be at Omega Center in New York in September this year. There'll be lots of other stuff, including a full tour that I'll be doing with Sergio Magana. We went on tour together about 7 years ago. It was really fun. He's a brilliant Mexican Toltec teacher of those shamanic indigenous lineages of Mexico, and we'll be doing a series of joint workshops together this year. So loads of stuff to come, but loads of stuff already up on the website. Go and check it out, charliemorley.com. Thank you.